Hey guys, this is Tech Brothers, and today we have unboxing of ultra-budget smartphone called UMIDIGI A3. The price is only $84 on GearBest. For this money you will get mobile device with 5.5-inch display, 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage, dual camera with 12 and 5 megapixel sensors and 3300 mAh battery. By the way, there is Pro version with the same chipset, camera and battery, but 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal memory and a notch above the display. I'm not a fan of notches, so UMIDIGI A3 looks even better for me than A3 Pro. So let's start unboxing of this phone and then talk about its advantages and disadvantages. As usual, we will have 4 videos about this phone: unboxing, performance, battery and camera tests. You can find all of these videos by the links in description. We already reviewed some UMIDIGI smartphones, and all of them come in similar black boxes with circle and company logo on the front side. UMIDIGI A3 is not exception. On the back you can read main specifications. Inside the box you will find the greeting card from UMIDIGI. The smartphone is already in rubber protective case. UMIDIGI A3 has factory films on the front and back sides. Let's take them off. As you can see, we have a black version, but also you can buy smartphone in gold color option. Both of them look great. The other package contents include user manual, power adapter with 5V and 1A, and microUSB cable. That's all. We are very surprised that $80 smartphone has a high quality protective case. Talking about design, UMIDIGI A3 doesn't have a notch above the display, and it is a big advantage for me. However, it still has 18:9 aspect ratio. One of the main features of this phone is 2.5D curved glass on the front and even back. Yes, the rear panel is made of glass. There is dual vertical camera and flashlight in the left upper corner and fingerprint reader in the center. Also, UMIDIGI A3 has metal frame. As usual, there is power button and volume rocker on the right side, while on the left is slot for dual SIM and dedicated slot for microSD. It means that you can use dual SIM and microSD memory card at the same time. Amazing! On the bottom you can find speaker, microUSB port and 3.5mm audio jack. The smartphone is compact thanks to 5.5-inch display, but it is quite thick, 8.5mm. However, it is very comfortable to use with one hand. Many people have already forgotten that you can use a smartphone with one hand. UMIDIGI A3 has very good display for its price. This is LCD panel with 5.5-inch diagonal and HD Plus resolution 1440 by 720 pixels. The screen has 18:9 aspect ratio and about 295 ppi. From my experience, the display doesn't differ from more expensive models. It has good detail, contrast and viewing angles. The brightness is good for using the smartphone in any light conditions. As I already said, UMIDIGI A3 has the same chipset as Pro version, UMIDIGI A3 Pro. This is MediaTek MT6739 processor with maximum clock speed 1.5 GHz. However, UMIDIGI A3 has only 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal memory. You can use microSD memory card up to 256 GB. The smartphone runs on stock Android 8.1 Oreo. Later, we will make detailed performance test with all benchmarks. Right now, I can say that UMIDIGI A3 is quite slow. You can notice freezes even when you go to the settings menu. The apps open very long. It is very noticeable after using flagship smartphone. UMIDIGI A3 has a really good camera for $80 phone. There is dual rear camera with 12 and 5 megapixel sensors and f2.0 aperture. The front camera has 8 megapixel sensor with f2.0 aperture. I haven't tested camera yet, so I cannot show you real sample photos. I will make a special video with camera test of UMIDIGI A3. You can find it by the link in description. UMIDIGI A3 is compact smartphone, so it has 3300 mAh battery. There is only 5W charge, so the full battery charge will take quite long time. The battery life should be about 1 day. Once again, we plan to make special video with battery test of this phone. The link will be in description. UMIDIGI A3 has a speaker on the bottom. The sound is quite loud and clear. You can watch videos on YouTube or play games. However, I recommend using headphones to listen to music. There is 3.5mm audio jack. The smartphone is equipped with dual 4G or LTE technology. UMIDIGI A3 supports 15 LTE bands, and 4G LTE signal is available in most countries around the world. As I already said, there is dual SIM slot and dedicated slot for MicroSD. Also, the phone supports 5G, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 4.0. So it was unboxing and first look video of UMIDIGI A3. The smartphone has compact size and stylish design with glass back panel. There is 3.5mm audio jack and even triple slot for dual SIM and MicroSD. My phone freezes while using it, but later we will make performance test and talk about this in details. Also, in coming days we will publish camera and battery tests of this phone. So subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers not to miss new videos. In description you can find a link where to buy UMIDIGI A3 cheaper. Thanks for watching, see you next time.